Attention all players. This twisted competition will test you.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to sign out of all other devices on Netflix. So here follow these steps. To do so, go to netflix.com, log into your account, select the profile and then click on your profile at the top right and then click on account. Then click on devices on the left. Then click on access and devices. Now scroll down. Then here you can click on sign out of all devices. By this way you can sign out of all devices on Netflix. But if you want to sign out from specific devices, such as if I want to sign out from my Sony Smart TV, then I can click sign out next to Sony Smart TV. If I want to sign out from Android phone, then I have to click sign out next to Android phone. So by this way you can sign out specifically from the specific device. But if you want to sign out from all the devices, then click on this option, sign out of all devices, and that's all. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.